So guys, let's play some FIFA Mobile. Okay, let's go do some player pull packs. Upgrades, I'm pretty sure they're on. I like players. I've got 100 players from this. 101 now. Hopefully I can get an elite this episode. Yeah, hopefully. Let's go this last one. 104 times completed. Let's go to my team. What? Mertens 81. Mertens? No way! This is insane! Whoa! 2 more elites for my tactile to full elite attack? No way! That's so cool! Wow! 5 packs! No way! This is gonna be awesome! Okay, first player pull pack. What do we get? Neymar Ronaldo. Hopefully we can get that elite. I don't know how Mertens got to my team. Yeah, boys, but we've gone. It looks like a really surprising, really good 81 overall card. That looks like a really good card. That Mertens, like, oh my god. It looks so good, guys. Oh my god, it looks good. Good. Where's he? He's from Liga. Oh yeah, guys. I might get Lego World. Wait, real items. Where's that? It's right mid. Let's see if there'll be an upgrade. Let's see if there'll be an upgrade to get Miro. No, there will not. Hi guys, 81 overall team, guys. My team. I really want to use this one. Not that one, I mean. There's it. Only just one thing. I really want to use my 82 overall one. This one, but I can't. I want to use my 82 overall, but oh, he's only for show now. Look, his piece looks different. Oh, I miss this guy. I'll play a season game, guys. Yeah. Come on, against Columbus and Real Madrid. I'm in the league, guys. So I probably root Barca and I lost like 50. I only scored 15 goals and 9. They scored like 17 goals, and guess how much I scored? 5 goals. There's Barca. Torre, okay. Oh, I might have to be away. Sergio Ramos has one of my defenders. That's not so bad. Oh my god, that's actually really. At least that's not a penalty. Let's see, guys. Let's go get him. Yes. Go get him, Higuain. Yes. Oh my god, Higuain. Yes. Where are you passing, bud? I did not ask you to pass her, but you just beat. My goalkeeper sucks, guys. That's the thing. Duran, give it. Here's Duran. I want Duran to score. Give it to Duran. Let him score. Is that an offside? Oh, I'm offside for them. I didn't know if I was the right one, so yeah. Oh, what a goal! I hit. Why? We'll take goal there, like Mr. Higuain. Good goal. You're not a defender, Joe Mounto. He's one of my midfielders, and you're one of my defenders. Where's Sergio Ramos? Sergio Ramos needs. You just gave a clear shot, Sergio Ramos. Oh my God. I want Sergio Ramos to score his first goal. Actually, I really want to be that nice. Yeah, there we go, boys. 45 minutes in. This is going to be an insane goal this game. That should be a penalty. Oh, Klaassen looks like Messi. Going in. Oh, Deeks went out. Klaassen's hair looks like Messi's hair. We can't be clean in my team. Guys, we're just giving. Oh! I don't keep. Oh, damn. I have my keeper. It is. He is. Guys, I just scored a beautiful goal from Joe Mounto from the assist by Higuain. And look, we're against Real Madrid already. And still really good. Benzema has the ball. Ran from the same team. Sergio Ramos from the same team. That's a penalty. What? No, it's a free kick. And Ronaldo's. No! That was a really good goal by Ronaldo. Good job, Ronaldo. Good job. Woo, that's a really good goal, Ronaldo. I'm going against one of the best midfielders. I'm going against half the team here. Yes, it's corner. I know how to score corners, guys. See, look. That was a close. Keylor Navas, get out of here. Keylor Navas, get out of here. Get out of this club. You're not supposed to be here. Ramos. Yes! Score, my boy! No! It's never going. There was my insane. See, guys, the goalkeeper saves it every time. So what good matters? I'll get my 84 up and I'll get my 90 up in here. Keylor Navas, you suck! No offense, but you actually do. No offense. Yes! Modric, try. And guys, whoever says Modric, it's not Modric, it's Modric. Oh, what a goal by Benzema. What a goal by that Benzema, guys. What a goal. Nice goal, Benzema. Good goal. This is this. Real Madrid's really hard to beat. It's Barcelona that's hard to beat because Luis Suarez. I want to pass it this time. Owie! Oh, they're 99 overall. No. Oh my god, this is insane. God, that's insane, guys. Benzema. Yes, Joe Mamanto. Hector, backdoor. The backdoor. Yes, thank you. Oh my god, Hector, you suck. Bale, I hate you. Oh no. Durr. I want to see how much Bale, what rating Bale is. Guys, half a day later since I was recording that video. Amazing. Amazing way to be a YouTuber. Perfect way. So guys, story time right now. So today me and my friend were making a book, and like we were like having so much fun making books, and at like indoor recess we read it to literally the whole class, and then the whole class started laughing, and then I made another one, and I was taking so long when he made another version of the one I read to my class, and then when he started another book called Mr. Bleach, and then at the end of the day I was cleaning up. My book fell on the floor, but my new book fell on the floor, and I was like, oh, please, go put it on my friend's desk. And then he threw it in the garbage. A garbage is not a desk. There's two different things. And shout out to one of my friends, but I said that I would shout out to my whole class, even my teacher, shout out to the whole school. You know what I'm saying, guys? Yeah, with my new water. I've already got one daily player already, so yeah, that's actually really good. I'll come back to you guys when I get like an 85. I'll get an 85 plus, okay? But strike. I'm not an 84 at Laporte and British Jacker. Oh, 27 times. I can't believe it. But when. So guys, this will be another part of my story time, so yeah. Someone's house that like going to the store, and like then I didn't know there was like a guy asking for money. Sort of, he's watching this, but what he did was so he was getting mad at like everybody, and at the end he was like getting mad at us, my family. So when I was walking in, yeah, it's get a voice. He had 89 Bravo. That's it. While I was walking in, I was like, okay. When I was walking out, he was like, who's running for me? Then when I closed the door, and my brother was still out there, so, and my mom locked the door, so then he was like, do you want to go? Then in my mind, I was like, what the heck is going on? Then my mom had to unlock the doors pretty quick, then we went and gone. We were straight out of that place. we're gone. We never went back to that same store again. Only like 2 times, but and yeah. $89, bro. That's insane. What? What is going on in here, guys? Is this the best pack opening ever? Especially just a bottle. That's what I'm used to doing my videos. Getting entertained or drinking some water. You know what I mean? Guys, write in the comment section, Pack King. Look, we just got Salah. 75k. Yeah, boy. Woo! That is an insane pack opening. Okay, that's a never daily pack. Pretty sure this one's my last one's like, pretty sure I have like 10 more to go. Alright, I'm pretty up. Has Messi Footwatch? There's one thing. Get the new player faces. I'm not complaining, I'm just asking. Oh my god, that's actually like weird, but it's not. I got him twice in the pack opening. 89 version, 82. Only needs my 86 and 4 version. What? I was like, oh, November, man. I saw walk out. I was like, I've never got pack opening this good. What? What did I just get last pack? Really thought. But whoever I got 2 good players in a row. I got back November. Now I'm getting Boney. This is the best pack opening ever, guys. Oh my god, guys. This is insane, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, but watch cards are insane. Oh my god. I'm checking out my profile. What just happened to my profile? 20 more million till 400 mil. I only just hit 500 mil. Look at that, Zlatan Ibrahimovic. Hey, I only need 1 more 94. Or 90 plus. I don't have, so let's open some throwback packs. Maybe we can't throwback Maradona. Coleman. My first pack we get throwback at least. Insurance for Footwatch. Why is there some Footwatch insurance? Footwatch insurance, guys. If your club goes down a tiny bit, spend $7.99 on Footwatch insurance. Guys, that's not even a thing. I just made it up. I just heard around that and I was like, oh, I should make. I was like, insurance. I was like, oh, I should just make up my own ad about insurance. Guys, my new meme of the year. Guys, subscribe for my new meme of the year. Guys, I barely ever say strong words on my channel, but I sing Insigne. I was like, oh, they changed. I barely say strong words, but how the Frick! I was remembering Jim Canslow never had an 79 on this speed. He didn't even have it under his upgrades. I didn't even see it, guys. That's so weird. Well, guys, like this video if you like Ronaldo. I've got a book about the best soccer players in 2017. I've also got a book how to start live streams and stuff. I also got a FNAF poster. I'm just gonna, yeah, 20 minutes in already, guys. That's insane. So yeah, Betrol Benzema in FIFA 16. Guys, I've got 81 more things maybe. I don't know. But guys, drop a like if you like Messi and Ronaldo and Suarez and Neymar and Manuel Neuer and Zlatan Ibrahimovic. Or Beveridge. Beveridge changed his country because you see, but he was a 50 overall throwback. It was Canadian. I just saw my percentage go down. Anyway, that 14 I just looked at it. 13. It's like, oh, snipe, no! Oh, get destroyed! Oh! Guys, I just got destroyed by my phone. Why? That's the worst acting ever I've ever done. My God, guys, how forced acting. Guys, if you want to see an acting show, always ask me because I'm the best. Yeah. Oh my God, my skits are so bad. Is this a ghost? Are you dumb? I don't even have. I probably do have a ghost. I do have a ghost in my house, but yeah, it barely ever talks to me. Anyways, guys, what if we can get 90 plus? That'd be good. Oh, I need a new 90 overall, guys. Oh my God. Guys, leave a comment in the comment section. Oh my God, should I do this? If I should do a soccer challenge in the summer. If I don't remember it, guys, I will slap myself 10,000 times in the video. Yeah.
Where it just drops, the whole fucking screen, so all the candies you had get all fucking exploded.
100 times in the video, guys.
It doesn't cheat about level 1,000 and something.
Yeah, how fucking, you're fucking fraud.
Okay, guys, this video is getting quite long. Like this video if you like Candy Crush and watch. Guys, thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much. Hopefully we can get at least 70 likes on this video. If we do, count to slap myself 1,000 times in the video if we get 70 likes. That won't be too bad, 1,000, but hopefully only take half an hour. I'll come back to now. I'll come back from now, like, I'll be like, okay, I'm just gonna stop myself like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. like that, just like that. I'm just going to do it fast so I can get over and done with them. Guys, imagine someone did slapping myself 1,000,000 times in a video. Oh my god, no one would want to watch that. I saw a derb do 100K, and that was 20 hours. Infinite list, only 1 hour for 10,000 times. How do people count that high, guys? I don't know, like, people are insane. Like, the water just fell. Oh, boy. I don't even know what to say, guys. Thank you a lot. Felipe Luis. Oh, guys, one of my players got upgraded in FIFA Mobile from one of my players. I got a boost in player, guys. I boost people heading in from the Game Changers packs. Well, that's weird, guys. I just heard, like, I'm not even joking, guys. If you guys heard that, leave a like. There's new content dropped. Yes, new content, please, please. It's been a long. I'm not even watching it, guys. I don't want to get a copyright strike. Still 17 hours. Game Changers and the first pack I got Game Changers. That's actually really good luck. Yeah. This is like search. This is Cruises. I know what I should. I mean, guys. I'm really good at doing running animation for Sergio Ramos's old team year thing, team year picture. I'm really good at doing it. I usually do it all the time. I'm not really good at doing the 99 dollars. I'm not really good at doing it. As if you want to see me do that, hopefully you can get 20 likes and we'll do it. Bruh! I don't know which one. I don't know which one to do. Which one to take? Which one? Oh man, but guys, he got upgraded. If you can tell, he's an 80 overall. And look at this guy. Varane used to be an 82, but now he is an 83. I don't know why Sergio Ramos didn't get upgraded. I'm going to do, guys. Let's do market. Let's search. Wait, we're not. He's a gold. Wait, why is he not? Is that how you spell it? Oh, it's one of those. That goes up. I'm not even on the market, guys. I'm just gonna sell them for like 20. I'm just gonna sell them for like 25K. That's 25. That's 2.5 times. I'm pretty sure that's 25K. Buy now price. I want to do it for like 30K. That's 3K. No, that's 3K. This is. Let's see. I'm just gonna do this. Yeah. Yeah. Guys, I want to show you the pictures. Yeah. Oh no. This is it, guys. I just took that photo like 10 seconds ago. So, yeah, guys. Pretty proud of myself? Yeah, guys, I'm pretty proud. Do it again. Oh my god. These backs are known for your good players. Why don't you get them? Oh my god. Maybe in the wheels. Guys, that's the worst acting I've ever done. No offense, but that's the worst acting anyone can possibly do for me. Guys. No offense, but I'm sorry, but I have to end this video, and no, you guys don't have to punch me for this, but I'm ending this video. I'm sorry. No offense, but I have to end it, so sorry.